Nestle cream and condensed milk. I have here the fruit cocktail, mango, pineapple, tidbits, and apple. Okay. First, we put all the apples. Apple. Pineapple, mango, and pineapple fruit cocktail. Chilled all-purpose cream. Nachilo ko. Oh. Okay. Ay. Yan lang na malaki. Maganda yung ano eh. Ayan. Masarap, maraming cheese. Ayan. Okay na yan. Amaya. Ganda na. Masarap na siya. Nilagyan ko ng condensed milk, all-purpose flour, cream, at saka all-purpose flour. Anong all-purpose flour? And meron na tayong masarap na fruit salad.